Hi, welcome in Natron to see how we can use the community scripts to easily manage large node trees. First, we will load a multi-layer EXR file from Blender, and we use the EXR layer extract script. It has been modified with the addition of postage stamps, so you can add some pre-processing of your passes before you use them further down in your node tree. Now we want to easily connect to all of these paths. For this, we will create a postage stamp somewhere in your script and say you want to connect this postage stamp to one of these paths. So for this, we have the Reconnect nodes script. It will show us here a list of the nodes. The script has been modified to only show the nodes beginning with an underscore, and to have a shorter list node. And each of the postage stamps here have the same modification, so you can easily find your 3D passes. And so let's say that you process this pass and maybe you want to do something pretty similar somewhere else in the script. So you will copy paste the nodes, and the problem is that your connection is lost. To fix this, I created the autoreconnect nodes. It's pretty easy to use. You have to select all the nodes that have been duplicated, and you go to edit autoreconnect nodes, and the node is automatically reconnected. This is all based on the label of the node. As you can see, we also have the underscore here, and this is the same name as the name of the postage stamp that has been created by the EXR extract script. Please note that sometimes Natron doesn't rename properly a node. So for example, if this node we would like to have it in our favorites list, we only need to add an underscore here, and as you can see, the underscore doesn't appear here. So in this case, you have to press the N key and you can add the underscore, and now the node has really been renamed. So for example, if we want to connect this node to this one, we go back to the Reconnect node, and as you can see, the blur node has been added to the list, and we can get a connection. In case you don't want to use the underscore convention to access some other nodes, the Reconnect nodes can deal with that, because it has now 3 preferences, and if you untick this, you say OK. So for now we say don't connect. I say OK, and if I go back in Reconnect nodes, this time the list contains all the nodes of my script, but as you can see, it becomes very long very quickly. That's why I strongly discourage you to do this. That's it for now, and I hope you will find these tools to be useful. Thank you.